So today I'm going to be making some banana muffins. I had some old bananas sitting around. I didn't know what to do with them. I was actually about to throw them away. And I said, why throw them away when you can make something else with them? So I looked into the cabinet. I had some Jiffy Mix. So I said to myself, I can make me some banana muffins. And that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and started to make my muffins. I'll use 2 packs of Jiffy Mix, 2 eggs, a cup of milk, a little bit cinnamon, a little bit honey, and some melted butter. So once I opened the box and added to the bowl, I had just added all of my ingredients and then I began to stir it. And once everything was stirred and soft, I decided to go ahead and start to pour my batter into the baking dish. And that's what I did. Once I had filled all 12 of them up, I put them to the stove and had them to bake. And it baked for about 45 to 50 minutes. And once it was done, y'all, just wait and see how golden brown it's gonna look. It was so nice and soft and tasty. You could taste the cinnamon, you could taste the honey, you could taste the banana. It was just all in one. It was out of this world. It was so delicious. And this is so easy to make. The kids gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You didn't throw bananas away. You save money, and everyone's gonna be happy. Go ahead and try making this for you and your family. Believe me, you will not regret it at all. We didn't regret it because by the next day, all 12 of these muffins were gone. Every single one of them was gone. I came back looking for a muffin, it was all gone. So go ahead and try making these for you and your family. Believe me, you will not regret it.